Hello friends, welcome to another market analysis video which we are posting every week. Today I am going to discuss about my views in current market scenario along with Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Also I would walk you through one trade what we have done today, that is Sun Pharma. There initially we had loss, then later on we recovered that loss, and finally we landed in profit. If you are staying till end of this video, exactly I would tell you what happened with that trade, how we have recovered that loss into a profit making trade. So now first let's go ahead and discuss with Nifty analysis. In earlier my videos, like in my market summary videos, I was stressing a lot on these levels, 14,755 and 14,745. They're gonna be very crucial levels for Nifty. I was mostly in my past 2-3 videos, if you observe, these levels I had mentioned like many times. So again today market closed above those levels. So now what we do, we'll go to 5 minutes and we'll just check like what happened from our last analysis video, what we have made on March 22nd, right? So now let's go to intraday time frame and just try to understand what happened. See, on this particular day at end of the closing, I made an video so related to market summary of that current week. So then next day, market opened exactly at a good above these levels with respect to opening analysis. It opened very well above these levels. Then it started getting support somewhere here. Again it tested this resistance. So here there is no clear price action was happening that point of time. Then again market started falling. So here we got some clear price action moves happening, so it's creating swings here. So here somewhere around this point, high point, on 23rd March, if you go back to our Telegram channel and check also, here I have mentioned my view on Nifty. Now Nifty is can see an up move on Nifty. So once this high is breaking out, so after that we had a good move. So again it met the resistance, and finally somewhere around these prices it closed. See, that day this particular zone what we plotted, that 755 and 745, it became more crucial because the particular zone it became support for Nifty, right? It became support. But what happened next day, market opened gap down. So previous day it's perfectly fine, everything is looking bullish, right? But this day might be global sentiments, whatever, market opened at a good gap down. Then exactly this zone became a resistance for Nifty. So from this zone we experienced a very good fall happened. So this time also I gave update on Nifty. Nifty is looking negative, right, in our Telegram channel. Then after that we got some good correction, and finally today, after Nifty finding some supports over this region, after that market started getting support around this region. Then we have seen some buying happening yesterday also. Here the important thing, yesterday market did not give up this support zone actually. So somewhere here it closed. So today morning, if you see, market started rising from this support zone, and finally it met our crucial zone what we are discussing every week, 755 and 745 levels. See, here I gave update in Telegram like even though market is going bullish, I was not much interested on going on buy side, but I was not, I mean, it doesn't mean like I have to go on sell side, right? So I was waiting for a retracement to go on buy side. So that is what I mean. So then we got correction, then we got a retracement, again it started rising. So this is the point around 124. I believe like I would have posted in Telegram channel. Now Nifty is, I mean, buying is going to happen and it will make new intraday highs, right? So later on we seen the move in similar fashion. Nifty went and finally it traded near these resistance zones. So now actually what is going to happen, like from tomorrow, this would be a crucial zone for Nifty now. So this, I can tell, a crucial support zone, and this would be a crucial resistance zone. If you check on daily charts, so that is how we can pretty much easily tell, like, because this time also it closed above this, but next day we had, I mean, a gap down opening, then market experienced a fall, then finally today it closed above this crucial zone, and it started getting resistance from this zone at end of the market, correct? So now these two zones would be very crucial for Nifty to continue its, I mean, momentum. So just stay tuned with our channel. So I would be posting our Telegram channel link also below description of this video, so you can follow there. If any updates I would be giving there related to Nifty. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty last week when I made video on this particular day, so then I mean on 23rd, let me check once when I made, on 23rd, for 23rd I made, right? Okay, on 22nd I made at end of the day. So 23rd, market opened. So that time Bank Nifty also it set support, these support zones we talked there. So that day we had some buying happened on Bank Nifty. Then next again, as Nifty also got selling pressure from these crucial zones, so then Bank Nifty also experienced selling. Now again Bank Nifty confirmed this as a support zone, and now it's trading above this support zone. So for Bank Nifty, these levels on top side going to be important levels, and this would be a good support zone for Bank Nifty. Mostly my view on Bank Nifty is currently positive, because we have some good range to trade. So mostly when it's respecting this support zone, we are expecting Bank Nifty to move towards these resistance zones. And today in this video I want to discuss you about like one more trade, I mean what we have done, that is on Sun Pharma. This I can tell this is going to be one of important important concept where you can understand, because like initially we got some loss on Sun Pharma. Actually it hit our stop loss, then again we recovered in that trade, and finally we landed up in very good profit. So actually these are two support support levels and resistance level for Sun Pharma actually. So from here it started picking up, correct? I mean buying has happened. So here somewhere I analyzed, I mean after this green candle formed, here somewhere I analyzed price mostly it will pull back from these levels and it is going to form a new highs. But here what happened, I mean that is what I mentioned, like I was with the stop loss, I mean this day low as a stop loss. If trade goes in our favors, we would be changing our stop loss to below this swing. but unfortunately, you know, it started moving down and it hit our stop loss. Then again I was, because like I was pretty sure, I mean, this is going to be a good support for Sun Pharma, right? So that's the reason I have, I mean, created a long position here. But here, you know, few parameters I didn't analyze properly, maybe with respect to volumes, because you see, let's say here, I mean, there is a support breakdown happened. After that, if you see, the volumes are going very flat, correct? I mean, the volumes are going very flat. I did not properly analyze volumes and with respect to these swings, and I did not take a proper decision, a proper buying decision, I would tell. Then later on, but I was sure, I mean, this is going to be support, that 590 is going to be a good support for Sun Pharma. Then what happened, you know, again it came down, so then again it started picking up. So this is the place where, I mean, above the swing I gave entry for long, that is 590.40. I told like 590.55 or 50 something, right? Above this level, I mean, we are anticipating to go long, but here what happened, you know, it didn't trigger. So initially it started moving down. But when I have seen these volumes, I mean, after this inactivity in volumes here, we got a good spike of volume. And not only that, it is hitting, you know, just day low, exact the day low, and it's coming up, right? With good, after an inactivity phase in volumes, a good volumes are picking up. Correct. So mostly what happens here, I mean, the sentiment is people who are in, you know, maybe they might have been picking their long positions here, right? So they would be placing their stop loss somewhere, you know, below this day low. So that stop loss is hitting and the stock is trying to rise again with volumes. So here, I mean, we got confirmed, you know, if Sun Pharma is, you know, hitting our level now. So once it's getting activated, it is going to be, I mean, very good. So that is how it's done. So finally here it activated around this price, you know, exactly here also, if you observe, it took some support over this, and finally we experienced a very good move in Sun Pharma towards its resistance zone. Actually, that 597 level is a good resistance actually. So finally Sun Pharma reached that resistance point. So here the thing what I want to give you is, see, sometimes, you know, the trade what you analyze might go wrong. Like maybe you will not see, you know, exact parameters, you'll misjudge, you know, market, or you'll misjudge the stock, right? It happens, but you know, following the process is always important. So you have to understand how stocks are getting that momentum along with the volumes with respect to price actions. So those are very important. So once you are mastering that, I mean, these losses, whatever losses you will be making now and then, it would be, I would tell, like, it would be very easily, you know, recovered, and we can make a very good profits also. So that is one of the concept I want to discuss in this video related to Sun Pharma. So hope you all enjoyed this content today, and see you all in our upcoming market summary video. If you like my content, kindly share and subscribe to our channel, and also share our YouTube channel with your friends, so that, you know, it will be helpful to everyone. So on that note, I am going to end this video, and see you all in upcoming trading videos. Take care.